What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. Want to let you know we have got a Castle Crash video promotional contest going right now. That's right. Between now and 4/20, that's right, April 20th, you got to get your submissions in. We want you to create a Castle Crash promotional video showing us all the awesome shit that's going down. You don't have to have gone last year. You can get any videos you want pulled together and make something awesome. You can go grab footage off of YouTube from last year's Castle Crash or the year before. You can make something completely unrelated with all new video content. Whatever it is that you want to do, it's up to you. You got to create the entry, submit it on our Discord. There's a link in my bio to the Castle Crash Discord server. Get in there, join the Discord. It's free. Everything is nonprofit with Castle Crash, so we're not demanding dollars or extracting value or any of that jizz. You just got to go and enter. When you enter the contest, we want your video promoting Castle Crash, and the winner is going to be voted on live on First Person Television. We're going to review all the videos on First Person Television, watch them all, let the community vote, see who's going to win. And then the winner is taking home tickets to Castle Crash, rolling papers from Fly High FPV, LEDs from Fly High FPV, and a shit ton of stickers. Hope to see you all soon. Get your entries in. You got about a month to get them done, due by 4/20.